filtered goddess, which is what we want, girl.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video. And today, you know what I'm saying, I just went from basic to baddie real quick, like, cause you know, why not? Why not? And she was looking real basic, and now she looking mighty bad, honey. This is all giving me like an entire moment. I just really wanted to have just some blue eyes and just rock it out, you know what I'm saying? And then the bangs and all of the volume and fringe is just making me like love it. So yeah, if you are interested in today's video and see, you know, what flawless products I use to create this flawless look on my flawless face, just keep on watching. Okay, so to prime, I am going to go in with my Hangover RX primer by Too Faced, and I'm just gonna use this because it is extremely hydrating, and right now I need some hydration. I really forgot. Oh, I forgot to put on lip gloss. I'm just so bothered by that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my MAC strobe cream, and this is in the color Gold Light. And I'm just gonna do this for the radiance of it all, honey, because you need this. You need the radiance and you need the moisture. Just in case some of you do not know about the MAC strobe cream, a lot of people compare it to like a moisturizer or a lotion because it has that similar consistency. It's just like a regular like cream product, and it is just so lovely on the skin. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Color Correct. Okay, y'all already know the deal with this. I'm gonna go right around my mouth, and then we just gonna be ready to actually start the makeup part of it, because sometimes I know I could do a million steps before I actually start my makeup, because I take skin prep very seriously. Foundation today, I am going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. This is in the shade 410, and I am also mixing in some Smashbox primer oil drops, just to not make it so matte. I need a little bit of dewy effect, you know what I'm saying? A little bit of hydration up in there, you know what I'm saying? So for concealer, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter again in the shade 370. I will be placing this concealer in my T-zone area, so under my eyes, down the center of my nose, the center of my forehead, and around my mouth. This has a bit of a peachier undertone. I feel like it is giving more yellow on camera, but it has more of a peachier undertone, so it can also act as a slight corrector, which is why I always go in with this. You always see me going with it. Well, not always, but most of the time I go in with this first, and then I use something on top, because I love this for the coverage and for the undertone to correct, and then I take a different one to go in and actually brighten, you know what I'm saying? Even though I am using another full coverage concealer with it, but it's all about the brightness for me, honey. And I'm gonna do what I want to do because I can, you know what I'm saying? I'm a full coverage gal. Yes, do you see this? This is flawless, flawless. To brighten, I am going to take this Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer. It is full coverage, y'all, but I'm only going to place this like right in the corners of my eye, and that's really where I'm going to brighten. And anything that's left on the sponge, I'm just going to use it to go in the other areas. So full coverage. Like, you literally do not need a lot of this, like, at all. Like, I know people who use this as foundation because that's how beautiful it is, but too because that's how much coverage it is. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I do not wet my beauty blenders anymore. I've just seen a difference as far as, honestly, the coverage and the texture when I'm blending it out. Like, I just feel like there's a difference in how it blends out my products on my skin. So I've just decided to do without it. It's just a personal preference type of thing. But to set that all in place, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder, and this is in the shade Banana. And yeah, this is where I'm only going to use this in the areas that I have concealed. And then it's just still keeping that brightness. You can still tell the difference, which is exactly what we want. Now this right here, I feel like this powder just softens everything. Oh shoot. Softens everything and smooths everything out. Like, it has this smoothing effect to it, almost like this blurring effect. Like, it just makes everything look so beautiful and smooth and soft. It really does look like a filter on the skin. Like, look at my skin, it looks airbrushed. Let me, because I'm not doing, just gonna set my eyes really quick because I'm not going in with the eye primer today. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX No Filter powder. This is in the shade Deep Golden, and I'm just gonna use this to set the areas that set the rest of my face, the areas I did not set with powder. So yes ma'am, this, I like this powder. It's wearing on me. I'm trying to stop relying on my MAC. So this is me doing, so this is me making an attempt, y'all. So something we're gonna do that we haven't done in a minute, I feel. Wow. No, we're not gonna do it. I was gonna cream contour, but I forgot that I was gonna do that. And I already set my face. Honestly, I'm happy anyway because I really didn't want to do it. I was just going to do it for the sake of the video. But I am going to bronze, and look, it's the oldie but a goodie. I haven't used this in a very long time. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and this is in the shade Mahogany. Okay, the areas that I'm going to bronze, you know what I'm saying, is right up here on these cheekbones. Like so, like so, like that. Y'all, like so, like that. My sister put me on to her, and I just think it is hilarious. Look at this bronzer, y'all. Okay, look at it. Why did we? How could we? Like, it is just beautiful. Look at the difference. How could I do this to you? I'm so sorry. You know, new products launch and then you just get distracted. So I've gotten to the habit of using my brightening powder before I do blush because I just feel like it kind of takes it away. So going in with my Dragon Beauty transformation powder, and I'm just going to press that Fenty powder into my eye instead of sweeping it away. Yes, like so, like that. Look at the difference. Look, you could tell too. I know y'all could see it. Okay, so for blush, I'm going to go into Sangria Sunset from Fenty Beauty. This has quickly become a fave. Look at this. So for highlighter, I'm going in with Anglola from the crayon case. And to highlight today, I am just, well, not even to highlight, but I am going on the highest parts of my cheekbones. I'm going to go on my chin. And I'm also going to go on my nose and maybe on the brows, depending on my mood. I'm not sure. We'll see. Me personally, I just be using like what's in the lid, and that goes so far. It's just so pigmented. So I am just doing literally one eyeshadow today, and I'm taking that one eyeshadow out of the matte book, and I am just going to be going in with this light blue up here. I just want to do a little light blue, not light blue, Lord. A little light blue, cute little moment. When you turn it into a baddie, you do whatever you want to do. And I know it's looking real clown-like right now, but I promise you, it's not going to be clown-like forever. The only thing is, I think I want it a little lighter and a little mintier. So I'm going to take this little mint shade over here from out of the NYX Ultimate Colors palette. See, that's doing it. That is bringing it all together. That shade, this is what I wanted. I like this more. See the difference? Okay, so did one eye off camera. I am going to line now. I'm going to do a wing, like kind of a skinny wing, but it is going to be like a longer wing, you know what I'm saying? So to do so, I am going to take my NYX matte liquid liner, and that's what I'm going to use to create my wing, you know what I'm talking about? I am going to take my In Extreme Dimension Lash Mascara. This is the 3D mascara from MAC, and I'm just going to put a little top coat on my lashes before we do some falsies, honey. For lashes today, I'm taking White Gold from Ty & Co. lash extensions, and I use these in one of my recent videos. So I am going to go on my lower lash line with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Perversion. And I'm only just going to line my waterline with it. Starting to water. I'm gonna go back in with my In Extreme Dimension mascara, and I'm going to go on my lower lash line. So now I am going to go on top of that one with the Big Volume Lash Craft mascara, and this is from the little accent, honey. This is from the Sephora collection. Finally, for lips, I'm going to line with an oldie but yet a goodie, honey, and this is True Brown K from Kylie Cosmetics. And then I'm going to fill in the rest of my lips with this butter lipstick from NYX, and this is in the shade Snack Shack Canteen. Okay, that's cute. Okay, quick intermission. Quick little something. I'm going to try this trick. I've been seeing people take like their concealer and put it on the center of their lips, and I've just been wanting to try it. So I'm gonna put some of my Fenty Beauty up, and I'm just going to pat it on the center of my lips. I love it. Oh, look at me, y'all. I like that a whole lot more. Yep. Now back to the original. And then for gloss, I'm going to take this lip gloss from a Smarty Pants collection by MAC, and it is called I Am Too Smart. So I don't even know if this one is still on the market, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is like the completed look. Kay went and popped on my wig. I feel like I should give her a name. I'm feeling Sasha. Sasha-esque, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy today's video. I did go back in and I put Mimosa Sunrise on my cheekbones from the Fenty Beauty, that same compact. It's the orange one, just to be more specific if you guys don't know. Just because I couldn't get over, you know, how the pink was clashing with the blue. It was just, I don't know, I don't even know if it looks that bad when I go back and edit it, but I just did it anyway and I'm feeling it a whole lot more. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you want to see from me on my channel, and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.